Alright, good morning, boys. What's up? Today is Wednesday, October 29th. Today was a little bit of a complicated day. Only traded evals. I made 1,300 across three Alpha Future Advanced evals, all evals. I'm not trading any XFAs in this price action. I still have my Tradeify instant funding accounts. I am not trading them in this price action, right? So, what I see, hop down to the daily time frame. Let's go step by step, right? Daily, we are bullish. I do want to see a retrace. I think the market is bound to fucking crash one day because this is crazy, right? Daily's bullish. 4-hour is bullish. However, we do have a 4-hour gap under us. I don't know why the market just pumps at market open. It just doesn't stop. We're up like 1% every day coming into the day, and it's just so stupid, right? So I see we have an unfilled 4-hour resting below us, right? And then I see midnight open is also below us, as well as Asian lows. So I figured, all right, maybe we do want to take out some sell side to fill this imbalance. So I see coming into market open, we have London highs above us, as well as this swing high right here. I see we have midnight open below us, as well as an unfilled 4-hour gap resting right below us. If you see that low is an unfilled 4-hour. So I see, all right, you know what? We are respecting this 15-minute bearish gap and this 15-minute bearish order block right here. If I see a 5-minute CISD coming out of that, I'll be willing to take it. Where was the 5-minute SMT at the high? Damn, ES is not moving. Right, I want to see this low right here because we swept this high. Right, I want to see this low right here get closed below. Or this body open, or closures, body closure, sorry, get closed below. We did not do that, so I did not enter. Someone DM me on TikTok. If it was you, shout out you. Someone DM me saying, I know you took this trade. I did not take this trade. It was not a good short. Look at 929. Closed bullish. You want 929 to close bearish and to form a CISD with this 5-minute open or low right here, depending on what candle you're looking at. This candle's open or this candle's closed. But we didn't do that. We ended up respecting this 5-minute as well. So we respected this 5-minute. Did we just rip to the upside? Dude, I thought we were going to make an SMT at, look, not 944. At 944, ES was 1 point away from taking out London highs. Let's look at Nasdaq at 944. Right? That was crazy. Nasdaq just made the craziest comeback of all time. Game 7 fucking winner. Like, that's like ridiculous, bro. But yeah, coming to market open, I was bearish until I was proven incorrectly. I didn't get any confirmation, so I didn't take any trades. Rejecting this 5-minute, which is rejecting midnight open, we push higher, right? We sweep this low candle closure above the body's closure, CISD. We tap into the CISD and respect it at 940 on the 5-minute time frame. So we respect it here, and get an actual reaction out of it. So now that we got an actual reaction out of the 5-minute CISD, what can we see on the 15-minute time frame? We also got a 15-minute inverse, right? So we got a 15-minute inverse while respecting a 5-minute CISD, while getting a 1-minute change in state and delivery, right? So this was my entry, stops below this swing low. To the actual trade idea was to this high, but the fact that I am on eval and price is this choppy, I would have taken profit right here. I took profit like here on my eval. Should have taken profit here if I'm being honest. Would have been stock and shop for a bit, but this is my actual trade to this high. I took profit earlier just because I'm on eval and I don't really care much about it. The way price has been moving, I don't even want to be in a trade. But overall, great trade. You could have taken the 5-minute CISD with the 15-minute inverse with stops below the swing low right here to this high, and it would have played out. I'm not going to say it played out nice. Played out in your favor. I'm not going to say it played out nice because price has been chopping like a bitch. This is ridiculous, right? But yeah, 5-minute CISD, 15-minute inverse. Just confirmation on really every time frame. Is it the best trade? No, I didn't take it on XFAs. Why didn't I take it on XFAs? If I got a 15-minute inverse with a 5-minute CISD being respected, I would take it on XFAs. Yes, we are not rejecting anything on the 4-hour, and we're not rejecting anything on the hourly. We actually inverse the hourly. Now, ES is way nicer than Nasdaq. ES tapped into an hourly gap, inversed a bearish hourly gap, right? And then we also got a 15-minute order block that ES was respecting pre-market. We made an SMT at the low. I almost didn't trade at all because I think I told you guys this yesterday. When one indice is moving the opposite of the other, it is best to stay away. And if we look at what market did at 9:30, Nasdaq shot up 20 points. ES dumped, right? ES dumped 0.08%. Nasdaq pumped essentially 0.08%, right? Yeah. So when you see price move like that, it's honestly best to stay away, right? So I was waiting for actual confirmation, and I was looking for shorts here, and we never got that. I was still waiting for that 5-minute CISD. We never got that. So obviously waited for confirmation to the upside because we clearly want to take out London highs, which is resting right there. And what I see is a 5-minute gap get tapped into. This 5-minute bearish order block get disrespected, form a bullish CISD. That CISD get respected. So we're disrespecting bearish confluences while respecting bullish. And then from there, we got a displacement to the upside right there. Right, great trade. Happy with this. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to answer or ask questions. I will answer them. Free Discord is in bio for you guys. A lot of you are asking for the free Discord, so feel free to get in there. I will give everyone there a discount when the Traders Vault is launching at the end of this week or beginning of next week, whenever that is ready. I'm literally building the best trading academy for people who are actually determined to become profitable this next year, right? I'm trying to make everyone get their bread up in 2026. So if you guys have any questions about this trade, about the market in general, about any trades you took that you want reviewing, join the free Discord. I have free webinars there every Sunday, and I answer every question you guys need to be answered, right? Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Safe trading.